beautiful people who have decided to be here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Kenyata here, and today, darlings, we're going to be getting into this fabulous nest. Y'all know what it is. We're getting into this lock style, darling, this swirly updo for the summertime, because you know we need to be summertime time. And we need these locks up off our neck. So this is how we rocking it today over here. So without further ado, let's get into this fabulousness. So the very first step to doing this style is to section your hair. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you real quick the sections. Now you know that your girl is a little bit different, so because I already know in my mind what I'm gonna do to my hair, I can do things like maintenance my hair before styling, and I do this quite often because I feel and I know from experience that it really cuts time in half. So the first section that I have is right here at the front. This little U part, this little section here is the first section, and this is of course gonna be my bang. And then I have two sections in the back, which I've already maintenanced and put into two ponytails. Okay, so there's a ponytail right here in the back. And I also have a second ponytail right above it. So I pretty much just took both ponytails, separated them into two sections, one bigger than the other. And you're gonna take the larger section and create the bun. This is the larger section and this is the smaller section. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and take some rubber band. I'm just gonna put it right at the end. So I'm gonna take the bigger section, and what I did for the first one is I pretty much twisted it a little bit like this, and then I begin to wrap it around the smaller section that I have hanging out. We're just gonna go ahead and do that. And I just kind of make it flat as I go around, and I twist it a little. And I kind of want it to be flat. I don't really want it to be like chunky, like so. Just twist it a little bit. And then what I did for the first one, that I'm not sure if you guys saw, is I'm gonna take the end here and I'm gonna tuck it underneath what I have. See how it comes out right there? See, this is the end, and it just kind of comes out right there. But we're gonna leave it like that. I'm just gonna push it down like that. And I'm gonna use some pins to secure this. So now that I created that bun, it's like the same thing. Two buns with a little bit of hair hanging out. Have the back done. Nice little swirly situation. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I did that. It's much easier for me to show you guys at the top than it is to like show you at the back, because I really can't see what I'm doing. And because this is a connector lock, I have two at the end. So I'm gonna put a little rubber band at the end. What I'm gonna do for this first one is twist it, start to roll it, and just tuck the end on the inside like that, and then just continue to roll. I kind of want to make this loose because I'm going to lay this flat on top of my bun where I want it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and place this right here because that's where I want it to be. I think that's super cute. I'm going to go ahead and put me a pin in there to begin to secure this, and it's sliding in pretty easy, as you guys can see. I don't believe in stabbing, so I put one pin, it's already holding, like, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and secure it. I really want this to be in. Take some pins and secure the bag, like. Secure that there. Pretty easy. So I have my first little swirly done. You guys see that? Isn't that cute? Isn't that super duper? Okay, so we're gonna keep on going with our locks on the outside. We're gonna take another lock. I have multiple combined locks, so because I do, I'm gonna go ahead and put a rubber band at the end of these 3 locks. We're gonna continue to create this bun. Yes. Okay, so I've went around and I've done like pretty much the top. We're just gonna continue. And I'm gonna go ahead and get it in right here. So we're gonna go ahead and, like I've been doing, letting the end, twirl it, put that under. And when we twirl it, we want to keep it, we want to kind of keep it flat, like, so that when it sits on top of the bun, you know, it'll take up some space and look cute. So I'm setting it right there where you guys saw me set it. Right there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and pin that. Now this very last one, I'm gonna take and plop it right in the middle. Right then. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the top part of my hair. We are into this. As you can see, I've already done some of my bang here with the pipe cleaners here, and it's not like you guys haven't seen me do pipe cleaners before. It's just that I want to come in and show you specifically what I'm doing now, because my techniques and my methods change up quite a bit as it pertains to styling locks. I mean, that's just what I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I'm gonna take one. It's always easier when I get to the front to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. Like, trying to be like showing you how to do something from the back of my head is difficult. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and do a product. You guys know that I style, I maintenance as I style. I don't maintenance then style. So here I'm just twisting my lock. Okay, use whatever product that you prefer to maintenance your locks. So I go ahead and take the lock, which is really long, and I bring it up to the root into here. Can I go ahead and take a rubber band? So I made a lock pedal. Boom. You have our pipe cleaner. And this is just one pipe cleaner folded in half. I'll show you. I have one pipe cleaner here. And all I did was fold it in half, take the end, and twist it all the way to the end, to the top. It doesn't have to be twisted really, really tight. Just, you know, twirl it so that it sticks together. And then we're gonna take our one looped lock pedal. When I want to tighten it up a little bit, whereas I want to bring it to the front, I just grab the root and the tip and just kind of pull it like that a little bit. Just a little bit. And we're gonna go ahead and twist it. Same as you do any other pipe cleaner curl, like. It's just that I fold it in half with the rubber band. So you see the loop here at the end. I'm gonna fold that over, boom. I'm just gonna twist it. Simple, easy peasy. And see this little piece here? from the rubber band, holding it, I'm just twirling it around, not tight at all, just loosely, so that when it dries, it'll dry in a curly effect. And then I just kind of wrap the pipe cleaner around the root a little like that. And there you have it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do one more because this is pretty repetitive. About 2 days later, and I'm about to take these pipe cleaners out, so let's get into it. I mean, you guys have seen me take pipe cleaners out. Everyone knows how to take pipe cleaners out, so I'm gonna show you guys a quick little trick. I'm always showing y'all my little tricks and stuff, but anyway, this is what I'm gonna do because my curls are like doing what they want to do, and y'all gonna do what I say. So anyway, these are already to the side. Just to make sure that they stay where I want them to be, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of like fix it how I want it to be. I'm gonna take a rubber band, and this is a trick. I'm just gonna put a rubber band around it like this, just so it can hold together. So what I'm gonna do is take a rubber band and just put one rubber band, just kind of like camouflage it in the middle of the curl. See, you can't really see it, but it holds the curl together, and it's not tight or anything. It's just there holding the curl where I want it to be, so that throughout the day I'm doing whatever I'm doing, it won't move. Like, my bang will stay in place. And this is something that I always do. Like, if I'm, I do this when I have curl styles and I want my curls to sit a certain way. So this is a trick that I do. And so I'm gonna put a rubber band right here, and I just kind of like let it like hide in between, see, the curl, and you really can't see it, like, and the curls, like, just see, they're gonna stay there where they supposed to be. So I'm gonna continue to shape my little bun. Now that I have showed you guys the little trick with the rubber bands and helping to keep, like, if you have a bang like I have in place, so you can just hoo, girl, hoo, 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 and it will not move, girl. It will stay in place. Look. Curly bang, swoop to the side, and ain't going nowhere. So much for tuning in and watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this hairstyle, if you enjoy my channel, and like I always say, smack that bell like it stole something from you. And don't forget to share this video on all of your social media platforms: Twitter, tweet, Snapchat, Facebook. Put it out there, because we need to share the love for all of my lock sisters out there who trying to just, step their lock styling game up, because y'all know that's what I'm here for. Yes, slap that bell, turn on your notifications, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because your girl is just getting started, okay? With these lock styles, they not gonna stop. They not gonna stop. Okay, what my girl Lauren say? You can't run away from these styles I got, oh baby. Hey baby, cause I got a lot, oh yeah. Anywhere you go, my whole crew gonna know, oh baby, this is an Earth Locs original. Girl, did I start singing on y'all for y'all? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Peace, y'all.